Hey everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank Astercook for sending me this cookware set for this unboxing and review video. So let's dive in. I love the concept of this cookware set because it is not only a cookware set, it is also tableware, bakeware, and food storage. So that's very exciting to me. It's also non-stick cookware. Everybody loves that, right? Now, I should mention that it is not recommended to put in the dishwasher, so best to wash it by hand to extend the life of it. But because it is non-stick, it's really easy to clean. It comes with these two handles, so you do have to assemble it. This is the top of one of the lids for the pots or the pans, and so of course this would go on this side and place this in here. You'll need a Phillips, I believe that's called a Phillips screwdrivers. There's one, just takes a few seconds and you're done. So let's take a look at the handles. Once you put it on there, you just snap it into place, and then this is the button to release it. So let's take, let's do one of these pots. In there and snap it into place. Done, just like that. That's great. So let's say you are cooking something on the stove and you go to pick up this pan by the handle and you accidentally push the button. It did release, but as you can see, it's still holding on because I'm holding the handle. Just make sure that it's, just squeeze it and release that, and now it's on securely. I just love, more than anything, that this is also storageware. So let's say, for example, you finished cooking something in here and you just want to put them in the refrigerator. Well, you're just going to remove the handle first. Whoops. And then comes with a lid. You just drop it on top and put it in the refrigerator, just like that. I did read some reviews where some individuals weren't impressed with how the lids just sit on there and they're not on like really secure like. But, and it's true. To me, it's okay. I mean, I don't see, it's still covering the food perfectly. And then we have another one here where you can stack it on top if you have something else in this pot that you made, and just has a lid for this one. Another thing that's really exciting about this cookware set is that it comes with this ladle rest. And I actually have one that I bought before and just love it. And it's a funny thing because I was actually going to purchase another one of these because they get dirty after you rest the whatever utensil you're using to cook at the time, and then you don't really want to use it again because it gets a little bit dirty. So it's nice to have another one, and I can just change them out. So I'm very excited about that. And look at all the utensils you get with this too. Here is a spatula, and we've got a slotted spoon, and we also have a pasta server and a regular spoon. I guess you could also ladle soup with this. And last but not least, we have tongs. Nice compact tongs. To get them to open up, you just push and it opens, and then to close it and keep it closed, just pull on that and now it's closed. To use the ladle rest, I have it next to my stove, and when I'm not, I'm cooking away and then I go to rest, I just rest it like that, sits in there nicely, so I don't have to put it on the counter and it doesn't get the counter dirty. Love this so much. I am so excited and I can't wait to start cooking with this cookware set. These are the pot protectors. And there you go. Overall, I am very impressed with this cookware set. The fact that it is also food storage and that you don't have to transfer whatever you made to some other storage container to put it in the fridge. It's already in a container, add the lid, put it in the fridge. So convenient, very excited, and I highly recommend it.